poster collection. Scarlet 151. Got it for like 30 bucks. Whatever, we're just gonna rip it. Open it. Yeah, I think we're gonna show this last, guys. This is gonna be last. Let's open this bad boy. Now let's show these. Now let's open this. Let's do it, guys. Energy. Wait, this Pikachu go hard. Perfect. Amber. Bro, this is my first time opening a 151, but in the English version. First time, guys. Jigglypuff. Ooh, Chansey. This one's kind of nice. Alright, open this for y'all. Ooh, wait. I got a rare. Charmander. Sparrow. Rhyhorn. Magikarp. Rabber. Kingler. Energy stickers. Pharaoh. Another Chansey? This is for y'all. Guys, I don't think this is worth $30. I'm not gonna lie. Bit energy. Jiggly Nuts. Staryu. Charmander. Graveler. Arcanine. Kingler with 220 damage. Holy shit. Clefairy. Oh, Dragony. Dratini. I'm gonna start and that's it. The last one, guys. Y'all, it comes with like all 151 Pokemon. Ivysaur, Venusaur. What the fuck? The bag's even better. Shit. Yo,